Want to switch between gesture navigation and three-button navigation on Android 17? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to change your navigation bar buttons and customize gesture settings for a smoother Android experience. You'll also learn how to adjust the back gesture sensitivity to make navigation more comfortable on your Android 17 device. To change the navigation bar buttons on stock Android 17, open the App drawer and tap Settings app. Scroll down and tap System. Tap Navigation Mode in Interaction section. Two options available here. One is gesture navigation and another is three-button navigation. Tap the Settings gear icon of gesture navigation. Here, you can fine-tune the left and right edge sensitivity. Also, enable or disable Swipe to invoke the Assistant to use Digital Assistant to your Android phone. Go back and choose three-button navigation to use oldest navigation method. Tap the Settings gear icon to switch between button order for recent apps and back button. Easy to change button position on latest Android 17 devices. And that's all about change the navigation button on your stock Android devices.